Hi everyone, sorry I have to be in this video and give you this video instead of being here, but I have a doctor's appointment that came up last minute. So I'm going to try to walk you through just a little bit of your part 2 of your lab. And if you guys have any questions, you can always just text me on Remind or just ask me tomorrow in class. Remember, your lab write-up is going to be due on Tuesday at 11:59 at night. You are typing it up with your partner that I assigned to you, so make sure you guys collaborate if you guys start on your lab report today. So what you are doing right now is you're going to be taking your part 2. You have your copper and nitric acid did its little thing, and now it has a blue substance inside of it. Once you guys left yesterday, I wish we had just a little bit more time in class so you could observe it, but there was a nice kind of brownish red gas in here, and that was your nitrogen dioxide. Now, your balloon, whoever this is, I don't know, this balloon kind of inflated just a little bit, which is great. It doesn't mean anything, it's just that the nitrogen gas just got captured in here. You may actually see tomorrow that this rubber is actually corroded, because remember I said nitrogen dioxide is corrosive, but that's not the huge deal. The big deal is this. If you have, say, this is mine going on right now. I don't have a balloon on mine, but let's just say that this is one of your setups for tomorrow, okay? What you want to do is right here, where you start day 2, it says the test tube, the beaker, and the remaining product. You need to remove the balloon if you have a balloon. So if you have a balloon, make sure you remove it. Now, I did tell Corbin this yesterday, so maybe he told you guys, but sometimes there's a residue of balloon that's left on here. Remember, you're taking the mass of this and your beaker. So if there's any balloon residue on here, try to chip it off the side, because that's just going to give you extra mass that can add to your error. So get as much of the balloon off the side. If it corroded, try not to let any of it go in. If it does, it's okay. You'll talk about it in your error section in your lab. So once you get this and the balloon taken off, you're going to put this on the scale and get your mass of your test tube, your beaker, and your remaining products. So how do you get your remaining products? Get rid of the test tube and the beaker. Not literally, but you already got the test tube and the beaker masses on here. Take those away from the mass that you just got, and that should give you your remaining products. If you're missing anything, remember, due to the law of conservation of mass, you guys should have the mass at the beginning equaling the same mass at the end. If there's any difference in that mass, that's your nitrogen dioxide. So you guys can figure out your value. It's going to be different for everyone because everybody did a little bit different kind of setup, but that's what I want to see. So if you guys get to number 3 on your lab, which is the figuring out your percent error, your actual conversion for your grams of nitrogen dioxide should be down here. Remember, you need a grams one and a liters one. So make sure you read number 2 again. You should have 2 conversions there. Other than that, that is basically it for the data collection. But if you have any questions, again, like I said, please make sure you text me on Remind, or you can just save it till Friday, and we'll pick up there on Friday. I won't have the computers on Friday, so everything else that you need to type up is going to be on your time. And like I said, they're due on Tuesday. So that's basically it for today. So good luck, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.